Here's a great deal on a 2015 Nissan Sentra. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 30,000-mile mark. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call